Welcome back to BitcoinDorks, your ultimate destination for cryptocurrency market updates, important news and in-depth analysis. In today's episode, we're going to discuss a recent development that's been generating a lot of buzz in the crypto community: Binance's decision to replace its BUSD stablecoin with TUSD and USDT in its SafeU fund. We'll be delving into the details of this change, uncovering the possible reasons behind it, and exploring its implications for the cryptocurrency market. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the core topic of this video, it's important to understand the SafeU fund's background. SafeU, which stands for Secure Asset Fund for Users, was established by Binance back in 2018 as an emergency insurance fund designed to protect its users against unforeseen losses resulting from security breaches or technical issues. Initially, the fund allocated 10% of all trading fees to create a safety net for users. Over the years, the SafeU fund has played a crucial role in assuring Binance users that their assets remain secure, even in the face of unexpected incidents. With that background in mind, let's discuss the main topic of today's video: Binance's decision to replace its BUSD stablecoin with TUSD and USDT in the SafeU fund. BUSD, or Binance USD, is a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar and issued by Binance. It has been used extensively across Binance's ecosystem for various purposes, such as trading and lending. Recently, Binance made the surprising announcement that it would be replacing BUSD with TUSD and USDT in the SafeU fund. TUSD, or True USD, is another stablecoin pegged to the US dollar and issued by Trust Token, while USDT, or Tether, is a popular stablecoin issued by Tether Limited. Both TUSD and USDT are ERC20 tokens on the Ethereum blockchain, which means they are compatible with a wide range of wallets, exchanges, and DeFi platforms. The question on everyone's mind is, why did Binance make this change? Let's explore some of the possible reasons behind this decision. One reason for this change could be regulatory pressure. Binance has been facing increased scrutiny from regulators around the world, particularly in the United States. By replacing its own stablecoin with other well-established stablecoins, Binance may be trying to distance itself from potential regulatory challenges tied to the issuance and management of BUSD. Another reason could be Binance's desire to further diversify its risk exposure. While BUSD is a widely used stablecoin, it is still closely tied to Binance's ecosystem. By including TUSD and USDT in the SafeU fund, Binance can ensure that its users' assets are backed by multiple stablecoins from different issuers, reducing the overall risk in case of any issues with a single stablecoin. Lastly, this move could be seen as a strategic decision to strengthen Binance's position in the stablecoin market. By incorporating TUSD and USDT into its SafeU fund, Binance may be signaling its commitment to supporting a wider range of stablecoins on its platform, which could attract more users and foster greater market liquidity. The decision to replace BUSD with TUSD and USDT in the SafeU fund has several implications for the cryptocurrency market. First, it highlights the importance of stablecoins in the crypto ecosystem. As stablecoins continue to gain traction for trading, lending, and other purposes, it's crucial for platforms like Binance to ensure they provide a secure and reliable experience for their users. Second, Binance's decision may prompt other exchanges and platforms to reevaluate their stablecoin strategies. This could lead to increased competition among stablecoin issuers and further innovation in the space. We might see more platforms adopting a multi-stablecoin approach, offering users a wider array of options and reducing dependence on any single stablecoin issuer. Third, the move could influence how regulators approach stablecoins in the future. As Binance distances itself from its own stablecoin, it may signal to regulators that the industry is becoming more decentralized and diverse. This could potentially ease some regulatory concerns and promote a more favorable environment for stablecoin adoption and growth. Fourth, this change may encourage users to diversify their stablecoin holdings. As users observe major platforms like Binance adopting a multi-stablecoin approach, they may follow suit to minimize their risk exposure. This could lead to an overall more robust and resilient stablecoin ecosystem. Lastly, Binance's decision may also have an impact on the broader DeFi space. As more stablecoins are integrated into Binance's ecosystem, it could potentially drive further growth and innovation in DeFi, leading to the creation of new platforms, products, and services that leverage the unique advantages of stablecoins. For existing BUSD holders, it's important to note that this change in the SafeU fund doesn't directly affect their holdings. BUSD will continue to be supported by Binance for trading, lending, and other services. However, users might want to consider diversifying their stablecoin holdings to mitigate potential risks associated with any single stablecoin. In conclusion, Binance's decision to replace BUSD with TUSD and USDT in its SafeU fund is a significant development in the cryptocurrency market. This move not only demonstrates the growing importance of stablecoins, but also highlights the need for platforms to adapt and evolve in response to regulatory pressure and market dynamics. As the cryptocurrency ecosystem continues to mature, we can expect to see more developments like this, pushing the industry toward greater stability, security, and innovation. We'll continue to keep a close eye on these trends and bring you the latest news and analysis right here on BitcoinDorks. Thank you for joining us for today's video. If you found this information helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things crypto. And, as always, feel free to share your thoughts and opinions in the comments section below. We love hearing from our community. Until next time, happy trading, and stay safe in the world of cryptocurrencies. That's it for today's episode, folks. Remember to stay tuned to BitcoinDorks for more exciting updates and insightful discussions on the world of cryptocurrency. We're dedicated to bringing you the most accurate and up-to-date information to help you make informed decisions in this rapidly evolving space. So, keep watching, keep learning, and let's grow together in the world of cryptocurrencies. See you in the next video.